For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a coffee shop can be an exciting and rewarding venture. With the rapid advancement of AI technology, many steps in launching and growing a coffee shop can be streamlined, optimized, and enhanced. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, showing how AI tools can assist you from the initial idea to opening day and beyond. Where possible, I will suggest useful AI tools and example ChatGPT prompt text to help you along the way. Step 1. Market research and idea validation. Before investing time and money, validate your coffee shop concept. Understand your target customers, their preferences, and local competition. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for brainstorming and summarizing market trends. AI-powered survey tools, e.g., SurveyMonkey with AI analysis, Typeform. Google Trends enhanced with AI analytics for consumer behavior insights. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Help me analyze the coffee shop market in your city. What are current trends, customer preferences, and key competitors? You can also ask, what are some unique coffee shop concepts that have been successful recently? Step 2. Define your coffee shop concept and brand. Decide on your coffee shop's theme, menu style, target audience, and unique selling points. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for creative branding ideas and naming suggestions. Logo generators such as Loca or Tailor brands with AI-powered design. AI image generators, e.g., Midjourney, DALL-E, to visualize interior designs or marketing visuals. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Suggest 5 unique coffee shop concepts tailored to young professionals in urban areas. Create a list of catchy coffee shop names with a modern, cozy vibe. Step 3. Create a detailed business plan. A strong business plan is essential for securing financing and guiding your launch. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for drafting business plan sections like executive summary, marketing plan, and financial projections. AI financial tools such as LivePlan or Plan Guru for forecasting revenue and expenses. Excel or Google Sheets with AI-powered data analysis plugins. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Help me write a business plan for a coffee shop targeting college students, including market analysis, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Generate a sample budget for opening a coffee shop with seating for 30 customers. Step 4. Location analysis and site selection. Location is critical to your coffee shop success. Use AI to analyze foot traffic, demographics, and competitor density. Use AI tools like GIS mapping software with AI layers, e.g., ESRI ArcGIS with AI analytics. Google Maps combined with AI tools to estimate customer density. AI-powered real estate platforms such as Reonomy for commercial property insights. Example, ChatGPT prompt. What factors should I consider when choosing a location for a coffee shop in city? Analyze the advantages and disadvantages of opening a coffee shop near university campus. Step 5. Menu development and pricing. Develop a menu that matches your concept and appeals to your target customers. AI can help optimize pricing and product mix. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for brainstorming menu items and descriptions. AI-driven pricing tools, e.g., PriceFX, to optimize profit margins. Food trend prediction platforms like Spoonshot. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Suggest a coffee shop menu with 10 popular coffee drinks and 5 complimentary snacks. Help me write enticing menu descriptions for a specialty coffee shop. Step 6. Supplier and inventory management. Find reliable coffee bean suppliers and manage inventory efficiently using AI. Use AI tools like Alibaba or other AI-enhanced sourcing platforms. Inventory management systems with AI forecasting, e.g., Zoho Inventory, TradeGecko. AI chatbots to handle supplier communications. Example, ChatGPT prompt. What are the best coffee bean suppliers for small coffee shops in your region? How can I use AI to predict inventory needs for a coffee shop? Step 7. Marketing and customer acquisition. Attract your first customers and build lasting relationships. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for creating marketing plans, social media content, and email campaigns. Social media management platforms with AI analytics, e.g., Hootsuite, Buffer. AI-powered ad tools such as Facebook Ads Manager with AI optimization. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Create a 3-month marketing plan for a new coffee shop targeting local office workers. Write 5 engaging social media posts to promote a coffee shop opening. Step 8. Staff hiring and training. Recruit and train baristas and staff efficiently. Use AI tools like AI recruitment platforms like HireVue or Pymetrics for screening candidates. ChatGPT for creating job descriptions and training manuals. AI training chatbots for onboarding new employees. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Write a detailed job description for a barista at a specialty coffee shop. Create a step-by-step barista training guide focusing on espresso machine use and customer service. Step 9. Implementing technology for operations. Use AI to enhance daily operations for efficiency and customer satisfaction. Use AI tools like POS systems with AI analytics, e.g., Square Toast. AI-powered scheduling software, e.g., When I Work. Customer feedback analysis tools, e.g., Qualtrics with AI sentiment analysis. Example, ChatGPT prompt. What are the best AI-powered POS systems for small coffee shops? How can I use AI to analyze customer feedback for improving my coffee shop? Step 10. Grand opening and continuous improvement. Plan a memorable grand opening and use AI tools to monitor performance and customer trends. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for event planning and promotional ideas. Analytics dashboards integrated with POS and social media platforms. AI sentiment analysis tools to monitor online reviews and customer feedback. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Suggest creative ideas for a coffee shop grand opening event. How can I use AI to track and improve customer satisfaction post-opening? Summary. Starting a coffee shop with the help of AI involves leveraging technology to research, plan, market, and operate your business efficiently. From initial market analysis and business plan creation to marketing, hiring, and daily operations, AI tools can reduce workload, enhance decision-making, and improve customer experience. Recommended AI tools. ChatGPT, business plans, marketing content, brainstorming. AI-powered survey and feedback tools, SurveyMonkey, Typeform. A logo and image generators, Loca, Midjourney. AI pricing and inventory tools, PriceFX, Zoho Inventory. Social media management with AI, Hootsuite, Buffer. AI recruitment platforms, HireVue, Pymetrics. POS and scheduling software with AI analytics, Square, Toast, When I Work. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.